Tinapos na tayo. Love is in the air. Pero again, it could be suddenly it's magic. Ganon yung energy. Parang exciting. I feel na may ilang surprises. This could be someone new. Someone na pwedeng mag-iwan ng impact sa inyong buhay. Nagmamadali tayo. Sabi ko, exciting yung ganap. May ilang surprises. Biglaan yung mararamdaman to na eto na, si the one na to. Go na tayo. Go with the flow. Pero of course, very unpredictable si Uranus, guys. Baka pag masyado tayo nagmamadali, simulan ng relasyon, madali rin itong matapos. Okay? Alam ko, diretso yun. So, pinapanalhanan kayo ng ilang barahan nyo rin dito to take it easy. Guys, ayan. Aces, actually, na napakasipag today. Ace of Pentacles, Ace of Cups, opportunity, love opportunity, or partnership, guys. Kung hindi to mag-connect ha, again, si 7th house ay connected sa partnership, or maybe this is someone na matatawag niyong partner in life, partner in business. Kung hindi kayo nasa isang relasyon or hindi masyadong mag-resonate yung love life, pero you may start a new relationship, partnership talaga.